Welcome back. Let me share the screen. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So in previous video, we discussed how to give the prompt. There are few secret prompts. It's not like a secret prompt. There are few shortcuts or few uh, formulas or some advanced levels. So where if you give that, you will get more precise and more accurate, more clear outputs. Let's discuss about those codes. Okay. And first one is Feynman technique. If you give this Feynman technique, it is best for learning. Okay. So it will explain from zero level to in a clear way. Okay. So like explain like Feynman, just give the prompt and at the last, just give that explain like Feynman or use Feynman technique. The Feynman technique focus AI to explain. Actually, I forgot about this. Complex topics into very simple. Yeah, for example, you want to learn prompt engineering or you want to learn SEO techniques, on-page optimization, off-page optimization. So in that case, what will happen? Yeah, you will tell explain SEO in steps or something like that. Okay. So it will be like complicated. You may not understand that one. So if you write that explain in Feynman technique, then what it will do is, so it will explain in simple way, simple steps. So it is helpful to learn any complex subject. And next one is human style. So if you want to write a blog for your blog or for your website, whatever it may be, right? So you can give the prompt to the ChatGPT, and at the end you can give explain like a human. So it will add that conversation, how human will write, and the authentic voice in that authentic voice and all that, right? So and don't copy and paste the exact thing to your blog. Do some modification, write your words also, then you can add into your blog. It will write like a human. Okay. And then TL colon DR. Okay. So if you write this at the end of the prompt, it will give the full explanation. After that, it will give a short summary of whatever it has written. Okay. For example, if you write explain SEO, okay, on page optimization and off page optimization, it will explain everything. And at the end of that output, it will give a short summary. If you don't have time, if you read that short summary, that is fine for you. You will understand whatever is there. But if you have time, try to read all those things. Okay. And then EL15. This is my favorite prompt. EL15 means explain like I am 50. Okay. ELI5, explain like I am 5. Okay. So whatever the prompt you give, at the end, if you give ELI5, it will explain that prompt as if you are 5 years old. Okay. Generally, I give 12 or 15, any complex, any new topic if you want to learn. So if you give like this, it will explain each step in a simple way. Even the basic person, even the person who doesn't know about that topic also will understand with all good examples and everything. If you want to learn any new subject, totally new, you don't know anything, or whether the topic is very complex topic, complicated topic, then you can use this code. Okay, this is my favorite code. ELI5 or ELI12, ELI15, like that. Whatever the age you want to give, we can give that age. Okay, and step by step and list more. This I think we have already discussed. The format. In the format, you give the prompt. Okay, first you give the role and context and everything. Okay, so in the format place, if you give step by step, okay, so whatever the output, it should be like step by step, means it will give in step by step format or list modes. We have discussed many formats, right? Tabular column format or sentence format or anything. Okay. So in that, if you give step by step, it will give all step by step, or list format. List mode means 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, like that it will give. Okay. And then compare mode. If you want to compare anything like SEO and Google Ads, which is better? For any website, for any business, SEO or Google Ads. If you want that comparison, then you can give that one, that word compare. Okay. So that it will compare, like almost it will give like a tabular column only. If you give that, if you tell compare and tell to give the format in tabular cam, you will understand very clearly the concepts. And the next one is role play mode. Okay. The anyhow you are going to give the role. That's what we discussed while giving the prompt. This one when I will use when I go to interview. So after I prepare that subject, what I will tell is I will give a role, act as a interviewer and take a mock interview for me in this subject, or like a digital marketing trainer for a college students, 11th and 12th college students. So if they're going to take an interview, then I can tell that to the prompt. So if whatever that, trust me, whatever, however the ChatGPT prepares you for the interview, maximum number of questions you will get from that only. Okay. And advanced secret code. Advanced secret code is nothing but, so try to mix up all these things. After you give the prompt, you can give human tone, give three variations, keep it short, like mix and match. Okay. Try to mix and match all these prompts, so the output will be as per your requirement. Okay. Once you practice all those things, you will understand how to give the prompt, which mode you should give the prompt. Okay. We'll meet again in the next video.